What's up, it's Jeffrey for Let's Locals, your travel advisor. In the past few episodes, I have taken you to eat some sour, spicy, savory dishes, but nothing sweet just yet. But Xi'an has just a thing for that, and I myself have quite a big sweet tooth, so let's get some Zenggao, a sweet date and sticky rice dessert. I can't wait!
To make this dessert, the rice needs to first soak in cold water for 4 hours to let this water penetrate to the core of every rice pellet. Once that has happened, fresh water will be used to wash the rice. The same process will be used for the dates. So soaked in water for 4 hours and then washed with water so they get nice and soft. For the next step, half a cauldron will be filled with water and a grill will be put into it, onto which one layer of dates will be placed and a layer of rice, until you get 4 layers of dates and 3 layers of rice. The entire thing will then get covered with a cloth and the lid is put onto the cauldron. Then, after heating on a big fire for 40 minutes, some room temperature water will be poured onto it to cool it down. Now this step will be repeated 3 times over, but that's not all. As a final step, the dessert will be steamed on a slow fire for 5 to 6 hours. As a result, you get a treat that has melted into one big sticky rice and date cake.
Zenggao is a classic Xi'an street food dessert which consists out of sticky rice, beans and dates. Now the Jing in the name actually refers to an ancient Chinese steamer that was invented more than 3,000 years ago by a Zhou Dynasty prince. Now the Zenggao that we are able to enjoy today is the result of the perfection of the recipe over a period of centuries. So the taste is absolutely amazing. Ah, look at this, it looks amazing. Look at all the colors, the red dates, the brownish beans. It looks amazing. And then in the end, when you are receiving your Zenggao, they will also pour a little bit of golden honey over there, so very good. And the flavor is absolutely magical. So very sticky, very sweet, and yeah, also very filling because of the beans. Finished.
In the Xi'an or Guangzhou area, people love to eat Zenggao as breakfast since it contains a lot of calories. Especially in autumn and winter, when the weather can get pretty cold, people flock to the back streets in search for these treats. These back streets will be crawling with tricycles with big baskets full of this tasty and cheap sweet date and sticky rice dessert. Even though plenty of sellers will be found, you'd better get there early because this treat is so popular people line up in long queues to get their hands on a portion. And usually before 10 a.m. the entire basket will be sold out.
We have reached the end of today's trip with Let's Locals. The Zenggao is absolutely amazing, super sweet. If you also have a sweet tooth, let us know in the comments below. If you love the video, drop a like, and if you want to know more about China and its culture, subscribe to our channel right there.